In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set stop loss and take profit in Exness. We'll move through the order ticket together so you can protect your trades before you click confirm. This approach helps control risk and define your targets from the start, which is essential for consistent trading. Begin on the Exness web platform. From the trading interface, choose the instrument you want to trade. If it isn't already in your list, click the plus icon to open the instruments menu and use the search bar to find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've selected it, you'll see the order panel. At the top of the panel, you can switch between different order forms. Regular gives you full control with all fields visible. One click is streamlined for speed, and the risk calculator helps you align your position with a chosen risk amount. For this walkthrough, select the regular form so you can clearly set every detail. You'll see the current sell and buy prices. The sell is the price you'd receive if you're opening or closing a short, and the buy is the price you'd pay to open or close a long. The small difference between them is the spread, which is normal in trading. Next, look at the order type selector. Market executes immediately at the current price, while pending lets you place limit or stop orders to be triggered later when price reaches your level. Toggle to pending to see those options if you're curious, then switch back to market since we're placing a market order in this example. Now, choose your volume. This is your position size. Adjust it thoughtfully. Larger volume increases both potential profit and potential loss. If you're still refining your sizing, consider keeping it modest until your process is consistent. Below that are the take profit and stop loss fields. For a buy, set your stop loss below the market price and your take profit above. For a sell, it's the reverse. You can type a specific price or use the arrows to nudge the levels. Keep a reasonable distance so your stop loss isn't triggered by normal fluctuations, and so your take profit reflects a realistic target. Many traders prefer a positive risk to reward ratio, for example, aiming for more potential profit than the amount risked. As you adjust these fields, note any on-screen estimates of potential loss and gain. They help you double-check your plan. When everything looks right, click Confirm Buy to place the order with your stop loss and take profit attached. That's it. Your trade is live, protected, and aligned with your plan. Thanks for watching and trade safely.